Hello YouTube, this your girl Kara once again. I am singing this little song and I be a little scratchy. I really don't know. My voice kind of, kind of, yeah, kind of messed up. Not really, but yeah, I'm gonna be singing Andale, Someone Like You. I heard that you're settled down, that you found a girl and you're married now. I heard that your dreams came true. Guess she gave you things I didn't give to you. Old friend, why you so shy? Ain't like you to hold back or hide from the light. I hate to run about to prove I'm the right, but I can't stay away. I can't fight. I hope you see my face and that you be reminded that for me it isn't over. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. Ooh, I wish nothing but the best for you. To forgive me, I remember you said. Sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts and sad. Hey, sometimes it lasts in love, but sometimes it hurts instead. Hey.